How do you lower your cost per lead with local service ads in the HVAC and plumbing industries? Well, I'll tell you. And the answer might be a little bit disappointing, but encouraging if you're willing to put in the work and read the signs correctly. So let me tell you what the signs are that you can get a lower cost per lead, and then I'll tell you what to do in order to get it. So the first sign that you're going to be looking for is if month over month your whole budget is spending, that's a good sign that there's an opportunity to lower your cost per lead. The second big sign that you're going to be looking for is that from month to month over time, you're watching that percentage of your absolute top impression grow over time. This is the metric that's most important to determine whether or not a better cost per lead is available to you. Absolute top impression means that your ad is the one that shows up at the very top above everybody and everything else, the percentage of your impressions that appear there. And so when you see that climbing over time, what that means is Google is giving you a little bit more favor over the other folks that are bidding on terms in the area. And those are two big signs that are showing you that there might be a lower cost per lead available. Because what Google wants to do is it wants to give the companies that most deserve the phone calls, that's who they want to give the leads. They want the consumer to have the best experience with their platform, with Google's platform, finding leads, finding a quality contractor in HVAC and plumbing, and they're going to award the leads to the people who do it the best. So what do you do in order to get that cost per lead down? There's a couple things, right? And all of them relate to the reputation score of your actual account. So that includes your call answering. If you're not answering every single phone call, you got to get somebody to answer every phone call. That's the number one reason you're losing right now. Okay. Number two is you got to get more reviews. You have to increase your review velocity. Total number of reviews is important. Yes. But more important than total number of reviews is how often you're getting them and how many of those you're getting versus your competition. Okay. And so if Google's seeing that they send you, 20 leads a month and you're getting 10 reviews, that's a high percentage of reviews for the amount that they're actually sending you. So they're going to look at that. They're going to give you some favor that they might not have given you because you're crushing a higher percentage of reviews than maybe the other guy down the street who's bigger. Okay. There's also your call handling. There's your proximity to the actual searcher. There's several other things, but those are the big ones that affect your reputation score and how often Google will serve you up in that absolute top impression or serve you up at all. And so you take these things into account and you see the signs, okay? The last sign that you might notice is in your account, Google might say, your ad is performing well. If you increase it, we could send you more. That is a definitive sign that the ad is optimized well. And we've seen in those circumstances, when you up the budget, you add another, it depends on the business. If you're cranking $5,000 a month and you up it to $7,000, you're going to see that spend through. And you're also going to see the cost per lead drop a little bit. They're going to put you in a different bucket. They're going to treat you with favor and they're going to give you a lower cost per lead. That's what you want. So when you recognize the signs, lean into the budget. In HVAC and plumbing, your turnaround in terms of how quickly, you get the money back in after you book the job it's pretty fast. And so if you can lean into the budget and let it spend, especially in your heaviest times of the year, especially if you've got the capacity to be able to help folks, lean into it and Google will reward you. It will drop the cost per lead and you'll get exactly what you came for when you looked up this video. So if you want some help with this, if you don't want to deal with any of it, you can book a call with me or somebody from my team. Just check out the link below this video, book that call. Talking is always free. If you want to do this stuff yourself, you want to learn everything about setting up, launching, optimizing, troubleshooting your Google local service ads for HVAC and plumbing, we got a great resource for you. It's called Get HVAC Leads Now, and you can find that in the description below this video. There's a link. You can opt in for that. It's free. Gives a ton of detail like I've described here in this video. All kinds of different, FAQs and things that people get into are answered in that short free mini course. So check that out and appreciate you for watching this video. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now. Thanks so much for watching my video. If you like this one, you'll love some of the other videos we have posted here on our channel that help blue-collar business owners get more out of their digital marketing. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, check out the other videos. If you got questions or comments, post them below. I look forward to catching you on the next video. Bye for now.